This week, New York City experienced an unprecedented environmental phenomenon. Canadian wildfires have caused the worst air quality ever recorded in the city, making it the most polluted place on Earth right now. The once vibrant cityscape now wears a sepia tint, resembling a scene from a post-apocalyptic movie. Many individuals are attributing this situation to climate change and are calling for significant government intervention. Among them is Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who has seized the opportunity to reiterate her call for a Green New Deal. However, this represents what Mises Institute fellow Joshua Mahorter refers to as the statist non sequitur. The statist non sequitur is a flawed reasoning that involves acknowledging a problem and then proposing statism as the only solution. It often takes the form of a statement or a loaded question that presupposes the necessity of a state-imposed solution as the obvious and sole conclusion. But we must offer a better response than the statist non sequitur. Enter Alex Epstein, one of the most vocal advocates for fossil fuels. While fossil fuels are often vilified as the primary cause of extreme climate events like the current wildfire-induced haze, Epstein argues otherwise in his book, Fossil Future: Why Global Human Flourishing Requires More Oil, Coal, and Natural Gas, Not Less. Even if we were to concede the most radical anti-fossil fuel claims regarding global warming, Epstein asserts that fossil fuels still provide significant benefits to society. He poses a thought-provoking question. How have climate-related deaths trended since the proliferation of fossil fuels? Epstein reveals a staggering statistic. Over the last century, as CO2 emissions rapidly increased, the death rate from climate disasters plummeted by an incredible 98%. In other words, the average person today is 50 times less likely to die from a climate-related cause than they were in the 1920s. This dramatic reduction in climate-related deaths can be attributed to two factors. First, an improvement in the state of climate conditions, and second, an improvement in our ability to protect ourselves from climate dangers. And how have we become better at safeguarding ourselves? Through the utilization of fossil-fueled machine labor. We employ fossil-fueled construction machines to erect sturdy buildings. Fossil-fueled heating machines keep us warm in cold weather, while fossil-fueled cooling machines provide relief during hot spells. Fossil-fueled irrigation machines combat droughts. In summary, ultra-cost-effective fossil fuel energy powers the machines that offer us unprecedented protection from climate-related threats. So, as we contemplate the current environmental challenges and seek solutions, it is crucial to move beyond the statist non sequitur. Instead, we must consider the undeniable progress fossil fuels have enabled in protecting us from climate hazards, even as we address the need for sustainability and explore alternative energy sources. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.